Okay, it's time to hopefully get in a post-work 9 holes. Hopefully 9 holes. Playing the back 9 here at Creekside. Starting out, par 4, number 10. Just get it out there in the fairway with a 3-wood. Well, I hooked it, but let's go count our blessings, and hopefully they're less than 40. So I'm completely guesstimating here. We're probably about 210 to the pin. Got to cover the creek. It's going to hit a 3 hybrid. No warm up today, so it's always a rough look. See if we can't get it there. Huh. Well, pulled it. Looks like it may still be safe though. Well, I definitely had plenty on it. I was way up in there. The green is over here. I hooked it and rolled all the way up to right there. Okay, I can't tell you exactly how far. It's close. Just gonna hit a sand wedge. 56. Oh, still got a little bit of the pulling going on here. Playing a little fast. I got to force some of high school kids coming behind me here. Not an ideal leave. Another sand wedge here. Just pop it up there, let it trickle down. I'm guessing these greens are actually running pretty good. Oh, a little bit of a fringe boost. I'll take that. Let me go tap that in. Opening bogey, no warm up. We'll take it. Okay, hole 11, 130 uphill, par 3. Hit a easy 9. Not gonna hook it. Let's see how this goes. Well, faded a little bit on me. Looks like pin high, maybe just on the fringe, on the left. All right, 78 feet. Gonna use a pitching wedge for bump and run. Just get it down there so I can tap it in for my par and move on. Nope. I mean, not the worst, but... Okay, 15 feet. Here comes the wind. I'm also racing the rain, the liquid sunshine. 15 feet for par. You gotta turn. Nope. Well, there's 2 holes, 2 bogeys, plus 2 through 2. It's 9 blessings. Counting. Okay, hole 12. Par 5, 470. A little bit uphill. Kind of rolly, but for the most part it's uphill. Just hit a nice smooth one out there. Right down the middle. Smoked it. I love not having to yell par or hole. I love not having to yell 4 on this hole. Okay, let's go get it. Here and here are the 200 markers. So 270 out of that tee shot. 200 to it, but it's a little bit too tight up there for me to really go for it today without having warmed up playing the front or hit the range or anything. I'm just coming in cold. So I'm gonna lay up with a 9-iron. A little bit of unintentional Scotty Scheffler foot action. Yeah, left me up on the side of the hill. All right. Wish I could win like him. Okay, not the worst miss I've ever had. A little bit of rain coming in now. I would say we've got probably 55, 60 yards here. Can feed it off of the right if we need to. But let's just try to put it on. Might have just rolled to the back edge. Time for umbrella. Welcome to Oregon. Okay, 5 paces, 15 feet. Looks pretty straight. Let's just go right at it. For birdie. Can we do it? That's kind of hard. Yikes. No, we can't. And then we got almost 10 feet for the comeback. Maybe I'm in frame, maybe I'm not. There we go. Par. Alright, +2 through 3. Now we climb the hill to number 13. Okay, 13. Par 5. Big saddle in the middle, but for the most part it's all downhill. 492. And I'm so out of breath. I'm climbing up that hill. Alright, just the same drive we had in the last hole. Whoops. Little bottom rail action. Stay up top. Long way in, but we got about 30 miles per hour at our back. And okay, I have forever yards, but I need to hurry up and get off of this hole because it's pretty exposed and the wind is starting to take my cart away. Gonna hit 3-wood. Just try to get down to that next section of fairway. Play for a little bit of left to right. Oh, that's Chunk City. Oh, that took a nasty hop out of bounds. Drop up there. Okay, I think I got about 250 out. I don't know what it hit, but it landing here must have been the cart path and then kicked straight up and over. So just hit a 3-wood. Try and get down there by the hole. Well, cart path taketh away, and then it just giveth. Popular number, 50 yards. Got my trusty 56. Oh, that's pretty good. So 10 feet. Where did I see my ball mark here? Right here. Put it in for 10 feet and then we'll count up all the strokes. All our blessings. Happy to be a member. Play whenever I want like this. Oh, okay. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, plus 2 penalty strokes. That's an 8. That's a triple. So that puts us at like 5 over through 4. Uh-oh. Okay, this hole's 176, but we are playing into a pretty vicious wind. Normally I'm going to play a 7-iron because it's downhill, but I'm going to try to play a low 6-iron. Punch, more of a punchy shot, get through the wind. See if we can do it. Oh, well, I hooked it. Don't catch cart path. Oh, it hit a retaining wall and kicked all the way down towards the front of the green. Yeah. Okay, from the tee box up here, came down, hit this low retaining wall, rolled all the way down to right here, and that's what we have left to go up and down. I'm going to chip this with a 52. Hopefully get a little bit of run out. Oh, maybe enough. That gives us a chance. 7 feet. 7 feet for the up and down. Nope, boy, I'm pulling everything. Okay. It's a bogey kind of day, I guess. Kind of windy. Oh my God. Okay, there's the rare 3-putt. That hurts. Oh well. Okay, hole 15, 379 yard par 4. That last hole kind of hurt. Got a double 5 with a 3-putt from a 3-putt, a 3-putt from 7 feet. That's awesome. All right, I'm just gonna hit a driver out there. I'm playing into like a 25-mile-an-hour headwind. This is pretty crazy. Should do just fine. So that drive only went 220 into the wind. I got 150. I'm gonna hit an 8-iron. It's still into the wind. Short is good because there's just trouble all around this thing. So I don't mind being short and trying to bounce it up onto the green. A little low. That should be okay. Looks like it's rolling out to the back of the green, but still on. Fighting through the rain and in the wind. And my lack of skills. 18 times 3 is what? 40. 44. All right? Yeah. I shouldn't be thinking about this for so long. No. It's 54. Okay. 54 feet. Looks like it just sweeps left to right, maybe a little bit of right to left at the end there, but this is really for speed. It's also for birdie. Well, okay. You know what would be really nice right here? It'd be really nice to knock this in 5 feet for par. There we go. Center of the cup. I don't know. What was that? Plus. Oh, yuck. 3, 4, 5. Oh, plus 7. Yeah. Plus 7 through 6. Here we go. Okay, hole 16, 463 yard par 5. Down the chute, through the chute, over the hill. Just catch the fairway, and then it's up the hill. So here we go. Well, I got drawn a little bit of a pull. I went way better than I thought. So I've got 200 uphill, middle flag. Looks like the wind's, I can't tell which way the flag's blowing, but I think it's blowing away from me. So I'm gonna hit a 3 hybrid. Oh, don't go in the trap. Be short of it. Oh, way short of it. Sometimes it's good to be short. Sometimes. Not a super pleasant spot to be hitting from. Uphill. That flag is on the ridge, a spine that runs front to back. I'm gonna hit a 56. I'm thinking that's gonna roll off the back. Makeable though. 45 feet. Bump and run, 52. Careful not to go past the hole because it slopes down and away. Left to right here. I'm a member of a gang, and it's a bump and run gang. Where are you at? Okay. Quit yawning and get the up and down. There's a par. All right. 7 over through 7. Sounds a little better. Where my gang at? Final 2 holes. 17, 161 par 3 over the junk into the quarry. I'm going to hit a 7-iron because we're into the wind, and then we'll finish with a par 4. Well, that is going to be deep enough, but off to the right. Just caught a piece of the green. There's a chance. Tell me there's a chance. Okay, I've already pasted off 42 feet just on the fringe here, the apron of the green. Yeah, pretty good right to lefter. 4-hour birdie. How'd we do? Oh, look at that. I didn't see all that. Left right at the end. Too much. 7 feet. Comebacker. Yeah. Sign me up. Just didn't hit it. All right. That's another bogey. +8 through 8. What are you going to do? It's a Wednesday after work. I'm golfing. In the rain. Wind. I'm hungry. Okay, 18 is a par 4. There's a creek that runs diagonal. It's 220 to reach on that side and a little over 250 out towards the yellow flag in the distance and the bridge. I'm going to hit 3-wood. It's not going as far today. I'm just going to aim at the bridge. And I've also just discovered that I may have been playing some significant portion of this round with my zipper down. So that's awesome. You're welcome. All right. Come on, 3-wood. This is definitely not me. It's the club. Come on, 3-wood. You know what? I love this club. I should hit it more often. Okay, we still have a ways to get home in 2, but man, I'll take that. Check my zipper. Cool. Well, I was right. That went nowhere, and I should have hit driver. I think I got 210 out of that. I got 190 to the pin, and there is a pretty significant breeze into the face. So we're gonna go 3-wood on a 400-yard par 4. That makes me feel really adequate. Or we can go in that trap. Oh, yikes! Over the back. Okay. Too much club. The power. Hey, it's me. Way over here. Not gonna put this. I don't think I want to hit 56 either. I'm gonna hit 52. Get up there and let it run to the hole. Let's clean this up. Well, not enough. Not enough. Oh, it's windy. Okay, we got 15 feet, pretty straight. 4 par. Finish +8. Come on. Well, I didn't hit it hard enough. Okay. Well, bogey golf. Like literally bogey golf. +9 through 9. Thank you for going on the walk with me. Count my blessings, I guess. How many blessings is that? 45 blessings. See you on the next one.